Greetings everyone and welcome to my Python course. In this video we are going to talk about errors in Python. In programming, an error refers to a situation where the code execution encounters an unexpected condition or problem that prevents it from proceeding as intended. Errors can arise due to various reasons, such as incorrect syntax, logical mistakes, invalid data, unexpected inputs, or runtime issues. When an error occurs, the program may produce error messages or expectations to alert the developer about the problem. The first error that we are going to address is the syntax error. Syntax errors occur when the code violates the rules of Python syntax, as for example, print hello world. We are going to delete this. And here we have it, an error. It's called syntax error, and we got a message, incomplete input. In this example, a closing parenthesis is missing. Python expects a closing parenthesis to complete the print statement. The second error is the indentation error. Indentation errors occur when there are inconsistencies in the indentation of the code blocks. For example, for if condition, if true, and here we should make indentation space, but we are not going to do it. We're going to print our message, which is indented line. As you can see, we got indentation error, a message with expected an indentation block after if statement on line 1. The code inside if block is not indented properly. Python requires consistent indentation to define code blocks. There are also NameError. NameErrors occur when a variable or name is referenced before it's defined. For example, print son. As you can see, we got NameError with a message NameError name son is not defined because we didn't create a variable with the name son before. So the variable son is not defined before being used in the print statement. In addition, TypeError. TypeErrors occur when an operation is performed on an incompatible data type. For example, number equal 5 and the result equal to 5 plus hello. Then print result. In this case, we got a type error with a message unsupported operand types S for plus, int, and str. Int here means integer, and str means string. So in the case of trying to make addition of integer to string, we are going to get a type error, which makes sense. So the code tries to add an integer number and a string 5, which are incompatible data types. Moreover, we have index error. Index error occur when trying to access an index that is out of range in a sequence, like a list or a string, as for example, my list equal to 1, 2, 3. Then print my list, and then I put index 5. In our list, the 1 is index 0, and then 2 is index 1, and then 3 is index 2. So there is no index 5. Let's try to print it. Here we have it, index error, with a message in list index out of range. We have also value error. Value errors occur when a function receives an argument of the correct type, but an inappropriate value. For example, let's print integer ABC. Here we have it, value error, with a message invalid literal for integer with base 10 ABC. So the int function expects a valid integer string, but ABC is not a valid integer, it's just a string. We have also key errors. Key errors occur when trying to access a dictionary key that doesn't exist. So for example, my dict equal to name and the value with Alex. And then I try to print my dict, then try to access age. Here we have it, a key error, with a message of the key error age. The dictionary myDict doesn't have a key name age, leading to a key error. In addition, attribute errors. Attribute errors occur when trying to access a non-existent attribute or a method of an object. So for example, my string equal to hello. So my string equal to hello. And here I try to make uppercase. So print my string dot uppercase. Here we have it, attribute error, with a message string object has no attribute uppercase. So the string object doesn't have an uppercase method. The correct method is only upper. So as you can see, my string dot upper print, we got hello uppercase. So we have upper, but we don't have uppercase. So in this case, we got attribute error. In addition, zero division error. Zero division errors occur when attempting to divide by 0. So for example, result equal to 10 over 0, and then print result. We got zero division error because we can't divide any number by 0. And finally, file not found error. File not found errors occur when trying to open or read a file that doesn't exist. So in Python, when we try to open a file, we have to write with, and then open, and then we put the file name. Try, for example, the moon and the sun dot text. And here, put comma, and if we put R, this means that we tell Python to read this file. As file, and then file.read. Here we have it, file not found error, as no such file, the moon and the sun.txt. These are just a few examples of common error types in Python. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, then please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Until next time, happy analyzing.